Welcome to Crochet Critters. Here I will be demonstrating how to do a magic ring with plush yarn. Some people find this difficult, some don't. This is how I prefer to do it. So I've tried out a few different ways, but this is my preferred method to doing a magic ring. Around the fingers, around again, and just tuck that tail there. And then we're just going to insert the hook underneath those two, pull that third one through, twist around, and then pull that one up over your thumb, hook that around and pull through. And then most amigurumi patterns start with 6 in a magic ring, so you can do under the 2, hook, pull through, hook again, and then pull through the 2 on the hook. And we go under, pull through, and then pull through, and that's 2. And we do again, under, pull through, pull through, and a 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there, and you've got these 2 loops here. So you've got to work out your front one and your back one, and this tail in between. And then you can tighten by just holding here, and then you can pull that through. You can grab a little, so just pull, and then you pull your tail. And there you've got 6-stitch magic ring. Hi, I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.